Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a mockup in Canva using the 2025 version. So whether you are selling an ebook, planner or digital product, this is the easiest way to make it look professional. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. In the first step, you will have to come at canva.com and then either create your account if you don't have an account already, or if you already have an account, simply just log in into your account. Now once you are in your account, simply hover over to the left hand section and click on create. Over here you can choose the Instagram post or the presentation post, the ratio of which is 4:5 and 16:9 respectively. So these two formats are perfect for mockups. Let's say you have selected the presentation, so simply click on the presentation one and then you will be landed on this page. Now once you have the blank page ready, you need to hover over to the left hand section again, and this time you will see the elements option. So here you need to look for the elements like laptop mockup or the book mockup or tablet screen. So this will give you the realistic image frames to drop your design. So once you search for, let's say, laptop mockup and click on the graphics option, these are the graphics that you can use in your design. Simply select that particular design which you want to use. Here these are comes with the pro version, but you can also select the mockup that is absolutely free, like this one. So now you need to just add it over here and then upload your ebook cover, the screenshot or the product page over here. Next you need to drag and drop it directly into the frame and Canva will snap it in place. If you want to add a clean background, you just have to simply select the background and select your brand's color. You can select any of the templates over here, or if you already have the color available, you can type that here as well. So you can include the texts here on your template. For that, hover over to the left hand section, click on the text box option. Here you can type any of the texts of your choice. Then you can color your text just like so. Select your text, go to the color tab and give it a color just like this one. Now when you are happy with your layout, you simply need to click on the share option in the top right hand corner of the screen and click on the download option. Over here the PDF format will be selected, but I would recommend you to select it as JPG and PNG because this file is now ready to be used in your Etsy listing, website or your social media. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.